What is the most exciting thing working here at Microsoft?
The food. Some food? Yeah. The food that we
Just having free food every day. And the juice bar.
Well, I don't. It's so exciting. I can't even talk about it.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kyle. I'm here at the Microsoft Silicon Valley campus and I'm about to talk to my friends and coworkers here to see what they like about this place and working here at Microsoft. Alright, let's get to it. Kim, how's it going? What do you like most about working here at Microsoft?
What I love working at Microsoft is we have this great facility, beautiful views, and there's just so many things to do. There's coffee, there's food, and there's great people to work with.
What do you like most about here, in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley campus?
Yeah, there's just, we can walk up around upstairs. We can have spaces where we can do one-on-ones right on this roof around the facility.
Exactly.
And we have so many great opportunities here.
What is the most exciting thing working here at Microsoft?
I guess my coworkers. Yeah, I mean,
We're on the same team.
Yeah, Kyle and I, Kim and I, we always get lunch together, getting coffee, hanging out with the team. I mean, like, it's always a fun time.
Yeah, what about you, Isha?
I think definitely the work that I get to do. I wasn't too familiar with silicon engineering before Microsoft, but I've learned a lot and I really enjoy my job.
Yeah, nice. Yessel?
Similar to Catherine, I think I really like my team. And just in general, I feel like everyone's really friendly at Microsoft.
Yeah, nice. So what's the favorite thing here in the Silicon Valley campus?
I mean, the thing that really stands out is the food, the Silicon Valley campus. I mean, like, I don't have to think about packing lunch or anything, and the food's really good.
Exactly.
They always try to spoil you with like different desserts and stuff. So there's like always something happening. Like they had boba stands out here
Yeah,
too.
we had boba sometimes.
Yeah,
it's
so it's like way more exciting here.
Yeah. Okay.
I think I'd also have to say the food, but I also think like it's really nice that like having the free food, it makes it like there's a very social environment here.
Yeah.
So it's so easy to connect with other people, even if you're not on the same team.
Yeah, I would say the food. I really like how they have the baristas here.
Kevin, do you want to join us? Come here. Come here, Kevin. We got Kevin here. All right, Kevin, what is the #1 most exciting thing working at Microsoft?
Most exciting thing? Oh, I don't. It's so exciting. I can't even talk about it. That's how exciting it is. I mean, coffee's pretty good here, I have to say. Yeah.
What's your favorite coffee?
Oh, I usually get an iced Americano.
Favorite thing about working at Microsoft? The collaboration. You get to be around so many smart people that are experts in a diverse area, and you get to work with them to build some great solutions.
Yeah, exactly. So what about like here in the Silicon Valley campus in the Bay Area? What's your favorite thing?
I think it's a tie between the outdoor space on the roof and the juice bar.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I like collaborative culture at Microsoft, so whether you're like early in career like me or whether you're somebody who's more experienced in your career, everyone's open to listening to everyone else and sharing ideas. It's very easy and learning from each other. It's like so much fun.
What's the favorite thing like here in the Silicon Valley campus?
I love the campus itself. It has like this very college campus vibe, and I like that it's so easy to just walk up to someone and discuss something with them. Then we have these like focus rooms where you can just get together, huddle together and discuss something. So I like that, and I also like the location overall of the Silicon Valley campus. There are like a lot of teams here, a lot of opportunity to connect with other people, and it's also the heart of Silicon Valley.
Exactly. So what's your favorite part about Microsoft here?
Probably learning something new every day, getting the world's best mentors, and working with like the brightest minds in the industry.
I think actually coming into the SVC campus and just having free food every day. That's the true answer.
Anything else?
Matcha latte is by far the best.
Great. Thank you, Michael.
That was it.
No problem.
Who's more advanced in your career? Do it again. Do it again.
Wait, she gets 2 tries. I want another try.
You can do another try if you want. Yeah. Okay.